Hi everybody, Clay Gladwell from Hunter Nissan Lincoln Mercury, Hendersonville, North Carolina. Going to present a 2010 fully loaded Maxima for you today. I'm just going to give you a little walk around of the vehicle, show you what a good looking car it is. Do want to stop at the window sticker. Point out 2010 Maxima SV. Comes with an incredible amount of standard features, and this one in particular is pretty well equipped. I'll go ahead and go over a premium package with you. Gives you a dual panel moonroof. You'll notice this vehicle has the glass roof. Adds a lot of styling to the vehicle. Gives you an open air feeling on the inside. With that, you get a rear window power shade. You get HID xenon headlamps. Premium leather seats with a climate control driver's seat that'll be heated and air conditioned. Power tilt telescoping wheel, as well as paddle shifters with this vehicle. Easy entry exit seat, memory seats with the driver's side for the seat, outside mirrors and steering wheel. Auto dimming outside mirror, reverse tilt down mirrors, heated outside mirrors, and bucket seats in the rear. Eucalyptus wood trim on the inside. Also brings in a 7-inch color monitor with a backup camera, as well as a 2 GB music box, USB connectivity and iPod connectivity. In addition to that, you have the premium technology package, which brings in the hard drive navigation system with voice recognition, as well as a 9.3 gig music box hard drive. Also brings in nav traffic and nav weather from XM satellite radio. So all in all, an incredible amount of equipment. Vehicle lists at $39,330. Certainly the most car you can get for under $40,000. But we'll point out, very fuel efficient, 3.5 liter V6. You'll gain as high as 23 in town and as high as 31 on the highway. So very fuel efficient for a performance oriented car. Nissan calls this the 4-door sports car. And I also want to point out 5-star safety ratings all the way around. So incredible amount of options and equipment on this vehicle, but certainly a great looking car. This one is in the winter frost white, 18-inch wheels all the way around. Definitely a good looking car. 2-door coupe styling with 4-door functionality. Nissan's reliability and longevity. I'm going to open up the hood and show you just a few things here. Point out this vehicle is equipped with 3.5 liter V6, produces right at 290 horsepower. Incredibly fast, paired up with Nissan's Xtronic CVT transmission, which will virtually eliminate any shift shock, provide seamless power out of this vehicle. I do want to point out the 3.5 liter from Nissan is a vehicle with a great engine with a great track record. There's a company called Ward's Automotive Group that produces a list of top 10 best engines of the world every year, and Nissan's VQ series 3.5 liter V6 has been on that list for over 15 years running. No other engine has that kind of reliability and track record, so they did a great job there. As we come around to the side, I want to point out this vehicle does come equipped with the 18-inch wheel package and 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel ABS all the way around. Also comes with electronic brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, and they all have tire pressure monitoring system that will alert you if you have a tire that's overinflated or underinflated. I want to point out the turn signal indicators in the rear view mirrors. Add a lot of styling as well as a safety feature. And this one is equipped with the intelligent key, which allows you to push the button on the outside of the door handle, gain access to the inside of the car. Very nice interior with this one. It does have the eucalyptus wood package in with the cafe latte interior, which is the tan leather seats on the inside. And just a great looking car, an incredible amount of options and equipment with this one. Open up the rear door and show you that Maxima is unmatched for shoulder, hip, and legroom here at the rear seat. Capable of moving 4 passengers down the road comfortably with the bucket seats in the rear. And and a pretty decently sized trunk also. So it impresses a lot of people that look at this vehicle. Plenty of trunk space back here. Also has the pass-through, so you can utilize the length of the vehicle for any long objects you're carrying. I want to point out the big dual tip chrome exhaust. So just a great looking vehicle. Voice activated nav system, dual climate temperature control, upgraded Bose stereo system. Incredible amount of nice options and features with this one. Probably the most bang for your buck, starting out fully equipped just under $40,000 before discounts, incentives, and rebates. Very good looking car. And here at Hunter Nissan Lincoln Mercury, we have quite a few Maximas in inventory, so you know who to contact for your best Maxima pricing and any of your Maxima questions. You know who to reach. Clay Gladwell, Hunter Nissan Lincoln Mercury in Hendersonville, North Carolina, 828-697-2222. Thank you for watching.